Sadrina and welcome back to my channel. Today we're finally doing it, everyone. I'm going to be trying out some popular self-care and makeup products and put them to the test. You guys don't even know, we've got a lot here that I've been waiting to review. I mean, just look at all of this. There's so much. If you're as excited for this review as I am, make sure to give this video a like, comment down below, subscribe down below, share this video, hit that notification bell, and do not forget to check out my Instagram and my TikTok, both at Peachy Queen Official. Now, let's get into this review. First up, we have to start with the self-care. From Dollar Tree, I got these Be Pure serums and toner, moisturizer. They have the whole line there, guys. Here's how they look. This is supposed to be a dupe for Glow Recipe. They literally made an exact dupe for the Glow Recipe toner and serum, or watermelon dewdrops. Also the moisturizer, guys. I'm pretty excited. So let's start with the toner. I'm super excited for this. I actually have only tried the Glow Recipe watermelon dewdrops, so probably this will be the only one that I can compare, but I'm still excited to try the rest. Here's the bottle for the toner with watermelon extract and hyaluronic acid. You can smell the watermelon scent. From all the girls that I see use this, they just pour it out. Hello. Oh, I think it's sealed. Really, Sadrina? Anyway, you just pour it out on your hand like this. Hopefully you guys can see that, and just kind of rub it everywhere. It definitely has that artificial watermelon scent, but not bad. Okay, that actually feels good. I see why people love doing this during their skincare routine. It's kind of fun. So far, I actually like that. Like I said, I've never tried the Glow Recipe toner, but I feel like this might be a little thicker than theirs is. But I don't know, you guys let me know if you've tried the Glow Recipe toner. Okay, and there's a lot of product in here for only like $1.25. So far, I'd say this is a great dupe. Obviously, I have to try it out more for you guys to see if there are any positive effects from it, but not bad. Now we're gonna add on the Glow Recipe help. Now we're gonna add on the Glow Up Serum. Here's how that looks. The packaging is smaller. It has a different kind of pump. Shake it up, pump. Hello, where's the product? Finally, we got something. Usually a little bit of this stuff goes a long way though, so we're just gonna do that. All right, and just put that everywhere. Can you guys see it on my skin? Oh, my skin is definitely looking glowy and more vibrant. I'm definitely starting to feel the layers on my skin. It's a little too much, but it's all for the fun of it. Finally, the moisturizer. This is actually good for me because before I do my makeup, I don't put on primer. So we're just gonna say that this is my substitute for primer. Glow Up Night Moisturizer. It is not nighttime, but we're still gonna use it with watermelon extract and niacinamide. They all smell the exact same. There we go. Oh my gosh, I was not thinking. Help! What the heck? We didn't lose that much product, and like I said, these were each only $1.25, so that was on accident. Not me trying to show it to you guys and I spilled it. Okay, it's not that much product that we lost, so it's okay. Guys, I should have thought that through. Okay, so this is a thin moisturizer. It's not like a cream or a lotion. It's more, it literally just feels like the serum, to be honest. Imagine they used the same stuff for all of these products and just put a different name on it. Help! What if that is what they did? I don't know. To me, it feels the same as the serum does. So I don't know what to believe. Even though these are from the Dollar Tree, I still feel kind of bougie using the product. So overall, I'll give the Be Pure Glow Up line a 7 out of 10 because I can't really fully rate it. Since this is the first time I'm using it, I don't know its effects, what it's gonna do to my skin really. Honestly, I think this is a really good dupe for the Glow Recipe if you don't want to spend the money, or if you just want to feel that skincare vibe and add more things to your skincare. I definitely think this would be great for younger people getting into skincare because it's more affordable and I feel like it's more kid-friendly. Ooh, it's cute and pink, kind of like the Glow Recipe dupes. But anyway, okay, I like to dampen my beauty blenders before I use them. I don't know about you guys, but I just feel like it works better. And it gets bigger too. Not the water getting cloudy. What was in this? You see, always dampen up your beauty blenders. Look how big it is now. I think I'm just gonna put some of it on the back of my hand. Oh no. I feel like this doesn't have enough yellow undertones to it. Lord! Here's how it looks. You know, maybe this will work. All right, we're just gonna put this everywhere. Ooh, kind of gray. Oh no, this is not the right shade at all. Let's just keep blending and see what happens at this point. No wonder a lot of people were saying it's hard to find your shade in this. And then on top of that, it has sunscreen. Look at this nonsense. What have I gotten myself into? Let's just keep blending. It looks even worse on camera than it does in real life. I look like a ghost. I don't even know if I want to bother doing it on the other side. Well, I I can say that it has a lot of camouflaging coverage, but it's just not the right coverage for me. I have seen a hack where some girls, they put like a white kind of foundation or concealer on, and then they put their actual skin tone match on top, and the makeup looks flawless. So I don't know. I didn't think, like, literally my concealer is darker than this. This might be the weirdest review I've ever done. Okay, no more of this. This e.l.f. CC cream, the coverage is great, but it's very hard to find your shade. Like, if you look at it in the packaging, it doesn't look that far off from my skin tone, but when you put it on, the undertones are just not right. But can we fix this? I believe we can. Like this video or comment down below if you think I can get this together. Okay guys, do you guys remember the e.l.f. Halo Glow filter? I think this is gonna save my butt today, and this might actually come out looking flawless. I don't even know if I want to do concealer, but at least I'm looking a little better, right? Super glowy, because we have like 15 different glow products on my face. Let's set this before anything else happens. It's literally the Sephora brand setting powder. I think it was about 14 bucks. I'm not sure, but it lasts long and it works great. Okay, we're gonna let this marinate. I think it looks so much better than it did before. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'm gonna do my eye makeup real quick, and then we'll be back to review the rest of these products. All right, here I am after the rest of my makeup routine, but I still look a little ghostly. I'm not even gonna lie. Whatever, we have to move on anyway. I'm so excited to try out these new e.l.f. liquid blushes. These literally just came out before the new year, and I'm finally gonna try them. I got this in Pinky Promise and Suave Mauve. Check out the video where I shopped for a bunch of makeup dupes at Target if you haven't checked it out yet. There they are. I'm gonna put Pinky Promise here and Suave Mauve on this side. I might look crazy, but I looked crazier before, so I'm not scared of anything at this point. And also at Ross, I got this super cute Paris Hilton brush set. Check it out. I think it's like a Valentine's Day themed box, but anyways, I just want to use one of the brushes to put on the liquid blush. It also comes with a powder puff. This was all for only $6.99. Oh, it's shaped like a heart. I hope you guys can see that. That's so cute. This is actually a powder brush, but we're using it for blush. Pinky Promise. It literally says on the side that the applicator is rounded and grooved. This should take up a lot of product. Because this is a dupe for the Rare Beauty blush, it's supposed to be super pigmented, so we're gonna see. Ooh. I'm just gonna do one dot to start off with, and we're gonna see how pigmented that is. Ooh. Oh. Okay. Seems like one dot was enough. Okay, actually, the light pink is working for me, guys. I never usually get a light pink blush like this, so I'm happy I'm testing it out. I don't know if it's the brush I'm using, but I feel like this could blend in a little better, but so far so good. Also, let me mention, this is my first time ever using a liquid blush. Okay, what do we think? What do we think? Is that enough for you guys? Hopefully you guys can see. I know the lighting's really bright. I think that's good. In real life, it gives me just the right amount of tint without looking like too much. And this was all with one dot. Let's do one more. I just wanted to add in a little more color. I think this is a buildable blush as well, so that's really good. My camera's not doing a great job picking it up. It could also be the lighting, but it's definitely there. Now we're going to add Suave Mauve to the other side. I don't think we've ever had this many things happen in a review like this. Well, maybe the time I accidentally hurt myself with that razor trying to shave. Okay, here's Suave Mauve, so pretty. I'm gonna go in with 2 dots because I want as much as I can get. Okay, wait, that actually looks really nice on my skin. Okay, the glare's not helping me here, but that's really pretty. I was actually kind of scared about this shade because I was like, is it really gonna show up on my skin tone? But I think it will. Take the brush and blend it out. This looks more pinky on my skin tone, but I feel like someone with a lighter skin tone, it'd be more of like a brown tannish color maybe. Okay, wait. Yeah, you guys can definitely see that.
I thought those are lip glosses.
No, it's blush. I think 2 dots of the blush is definitely the trick because this is actually really giving. I'm trying to decide which one looks better on me. I want to say Suave Mauve, but at the same time, I feel like Pinky Promise looks super cute. They're both great, just for like 2 different kinds of looks. I do want to set it with a little bit of setting powder though, because it is liquid blush, and I just want to kind of dry it out, set it in there, so that it's not rubbing off. since this is my first time with liquid blush, does liquid blush last longer than powder? Let me know. Okay, here's how we're looking. Let me know. Suave Mauve is eating right now in my opinion, but let me know which one of these blushes were your favorite, Pinky Promise or Suave Mauve. And last but not least, we just have to review the lip products. The thing is, we have a lot of them. Alright everyone, I think that's it for today's review. We went through a lot of different products. Make sure to like this video and comment down below which one of these products that I reviewed is your fave. Subscribe down below, share this video, hit that notification bell, and do not forget to check out my Instagram and my TikTok, both at Peachy Queen Official, for more self-care videos. And I'll see y'all next time. Love y'all. Bye!